The problem with residential solar is its high cost. It's twice as expensive as commercial rooftop solar and 3 times as expensive as ground mount solar. The reason residential solar is so expensive is because of the complexity of the products. This complexity drives inefficiencies throughout the organization, including sales, engineering, design, operations, and installation, requiring extensive operational and field resources, which our market research shows drives up the cost of solar by 55 cents per watt. Solvari SR eliminates the product complexity problem and provides the ultimate simplified solution that drives down cost of operation for all aspects of the business. The result eliminates the cost premium to the homeowner while increasing profits for the solar installer. The complexity of current technologies become apparent when you look at the numbers. A solar installer needs to determine, order, and ship the right number of 12 different SKUs for any particular array layout and deliver those units to the job site. From those, the installation team must install up to 550 individual components using 6 to 12 tools. This entire process is time-consuming and requires specialized labor. On the other hand, the Solvari SR solar modules are pre-engineered to include all components necessary to build the array. This single SKU product requires no additional components to install, no matter the complexity of the array, requires a single tool, and is extremely fast to install by even the most unskilled labor. The lack of technological innovations that address the complexity issue has resulted in the cost of residential solar remaining stubbornly flat for the last 6 years. Solvari SR's tectonic shift in simplicity breaks this trend, bringing the cost down by as much as 20%. The Solvari SR module is patent protected and will be assembled by Texi Solar. At the core of the technology are 6 mounts adhered to the perimeter of a standard frameless solar module. The mount assemblies, which perform the key functions of the product, consist of several polymeric components produced by Texi Solar, along with commercially available flashing tape and mounting hardware. The frameless solar module will be supplied through strategic partnerships with solar panel manufacturers such as Solaria. Adhered to the backside of the Solvari module are the integrated power electronics, cabling, and wire management. Solvari SR is easy to handle and simple to install. Just lift it to the roof and screw it down. There is no hassle and no fuss. By controlling all components that go into Solvari SR, as well as the assembly, Texi Solar reduces the risk on unsophisticated smaller installers by providing pre-specified components that are tested and warranted to last 25 years in even the most brutal rooftop environments. Due to the complexity of residential solar, almost all solar installers today are specialty contractors focused only on selling and installing solar, and they only sell to their customers once. In the industry, we call this one and done. This one-time sale model makes finding new customers expensive. For this reason, national installers have the highest cost of sales overhead. For local installers who have a presence in the community and receive referrals, the cost of sales overhead is $6,000 less, but their operational costs are higher. By slashing those costs, Solvari SR enables them to compete more successfully against national installers, resulting in lower cost of solar to the homeowner.
With the Solvari SR, I can practically eliminate the operations and logistics portion of my business, especially now where we have this huge labor shortage. I can now go find unskilled labor and quickly train them on the install portion of this one SKU product. For us, this technology is a game changer, and it will give us a competitive advantage in the marketplace by allowing us to deliver a solar product at a lower cost, while we increase profits. It's a win-win.
The operational simplicity of Solvari not only makes existing solar installers more competitive, it makes solar accessible to traditional trades who have been closed out of solar due to its complexity. These businesses provide services to homeowners on a daily basis, and as trusted advisors, they are positioned to engage these customers about going solar. More importantly, these new solar installers can leverage their historical customer list to sell Solvari SR, practically eliminating sales overhead. The combination of trust and lower cost will increase solar penetration in the residential market across the U.S. Home contractors agree with these findings and have provided letters of commitment and support to further develop and, when available, purchase the technology. The residential solar market is roughly 3 gigawatts in size. Solvari SR installs on asphalt shingles, which represent 75% of all roofs in the U.S. Of the 2.25 available gigawatts, Solvari has already secured a pipeline of over 100 megawatts since the beginning of the set stage of the American-Made Solar Challenge. We are targeting 300 megawatts of sale commitments by product launch in Q1 2023. During the set stage, we created a fully functional prototype and retired key risk through computer modeling, waterproof testing, mechanical load testing, and material validation activities. Texi Solar has a long track record of developing new and novel products for solar companies. Our team of engineers are solar product experts with collectively over 90 years of solar experience. That experience, coupled with years of feedback from installers, has guided the design and development of Solvari SR. In addition, with the support of the American-Made Challenge Ready Award, we have expanded the team to include an additional engineer and a high-power CRO with extensive solar channel and sales experience. Solvari SR is also being supported by a high-powered advisory team, consisting of solar experts, industry veterans, and business leaders.